Have you ever felt frustrated with your home office or studio setup or your streaming setup? Like you're not getting the quality or look that you want? Or maybe you want to look more professional on video calls or finally launch that YouTube channel, but your space just isn't working for you. Today, I'm going to break down how I've set up my home studio so that you can elevate your space, your video experience, and ultimately your ability to share your message with the world. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Vincent. I'm a creative agency founder. I'm a leader of over 100 creatives, and I am someone who loves helping purpose-driven people build confidence on camera. The first thing that you cannot ignore is lighting, and here's why. Great lighting makes you look professional and inviting on camera. You don't have to spend thousands, but you do need something soft and big enough to spread light evenly. If you're on a budget, you could do something even with a shower curtain over a window. I've done that in the past myself. If you got a little bit of cash to throw around, $50 to $100 to buy a softbox on Amazon. And if you have a little bit more budget, you could do something like I've done here. I've got the 95 centimeter softbox from Godox, and I've got the ML60BI light as well. And don't stress, I'll put links in the description below. You might also want to think about a subtle light on your background to separate you from the wall a little bit. So here's what I'd love you to do. Go to your studio or desk today, look at where the light comes from, and plan one way to make it softer this week, even with the tablecloth over the window. The next thing is the gear that everyone overthinks, and that's your camera. Phones are great, but not designed to be a dedicated content tool. You're gonna run out of battery, storage, and get interrupted by calls. A proper camera gives you consistent quality, dedicated framing, and it helps you to take your craft seriously. Now, you don't need to buy this thing brand new. Marketplace is full of secondhand gems. And for budget options, check out the Sony ZV-1, but you're gonna wanna make sure you buy a cooling fan as well in case you wish to record for long periods of time. I personally run a Sony FX30 with the Sigma 1.4 lens, as well as a Sony A7C II over here with the 24-70 G Master lens as well. But you can start a lot smaller than that setup. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to having one dedicated camera for content by the end of this month. Even if that's your phone on airplane mode, treat it like a pro camera. Now the third and maybe the most overlooked here is audio. You see, people will forgive average video, but bad audio kills trust. You don't need a fancy mic. I use a Rode NT USB Mini, and I got this secondhand. Just get something with a USB input with good noise rejection and avoid built-in laptop or phone mics. And so here's what you can do right now. Record a short audio clip with your current mic. Listen to it, and if it sounds hollow or muffled, write down a mic upgrade as your next priority. Now, this is the missing ingredient for most of us. It's easy to get stuck perfecting gear and never creating. Gear is important, but action matters more. If you want to reach more people, promote your business, or get confident on camera, you have to press record. There will always be a reason not to, but the world needs to hear your voice and your message. So here's my call out to you today. Before the end of this week, record just one video, no matter how short or imperfect. Just press record and share about something you care about. The first step is the hardest, but it is the most important. So if you're ready to level up your home studio, remember lights, camera, audio, and action. Lighting makes or breaks your look. A dedicated camera builds confidence. Audio builds trust too. And action is what brings it all to life. My friends, one of the greatest things a setup like this can do is help you to build a business and start bringing in some additional finance, just like it did for me. I break that down for you guys in this video right here. Just click that video if you want to learn more, and I will see you there.